Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial I want to focus on a simple chord progression that is mostly used in these in our African if you're an African if you have heard some African phrases, you'll be able to know this kind of progression. So it's just the 1 4 5, and this for this tutorial I want to entreat that you know your bar chords, at least the 1 4 5. You should be able to play the 1 4 5 in any shape because it varies with the key. So if I'm playing A, I know I can play here, or I can play, or so something like A. If you want to play in the A shape, uh, let's leave that one. So let's I want to decide which key I should use. So let's use G. Okay, so I'm going to use the G, the C, and the D. That's the 1 4 5. So songs like this kind got another one, no they are. So if you notice, I'm just playing the chords, but I'm trying to be specific with the kind of strings, the strings that will give me the sound, the melody, kind of follow the follow the melody. So 1 3 4 3 2 4 3 2 4 3 2. Okay, let's keep the 4 3 2. One thing I've realized is that when you're trying to be using these patterns as arpeggio, the picking patterns, you need to first of all be flexible with the kind of sound you're trying to get, because I think these sounds are a bit registered in my mind, so I find it hard to be able to pick them one by one. So if you are starting, I would advise that you do it the one by one. Then you add a 4. Sorry, the 1. When you're playing this bar chord, some people prefer to play this way, with the when you bar on the 5th fret. I mostly bar from the 4th string to the 2nd string, leaving the 1st string open. Sometimes if you're unlucky, you may disturb the 1st string, but it doesn't come out well. So maybe you have to be strategic. Maybe you can raise it a little bit if you're plucking the 1st string. So what about playing this way? So you can go here. So this kind got another one, no they this kind got another one, no they. When you see me dance, dance like a winner man. When you see me dance, I dance like a winner man. When you see me dance, dance like a winner man. When you see me dance, I dance like a winner man. Dance like a winner man. Dance like a winner man. There's another song for it. is good, oh. God is good, oh. Hey, God is good, oh. Hey, everything a double double, double double, everything a double double. I will have to do a video that you can do a play along with this. I have to put a beats behind, and we'll play. And yeah, let me know. This is it for this tutorial, and thank you for watching this far. Leave in the comment section if you are still here, if you are still watching, and let me know where you are watching from, and give a like, give a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed. If you are new to my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to play the guitar, I have tutorial series that I teach you the basics, and I'll be using these videos to be complementing those tutorials that we've been doing, that I've done in those videos. Yeah, it will take you step by step, and take your time, take a deep breath and take your time, and I think you'll be fine in the end. Thank you very much once again, and everything a double double.